Alright, we're back. The last bit of machine I know I got to do is I got to weld this up. Here where it's broken, I've welded it before. You can see where it broke anyway. And that's because I only got one screw holding that in, I think. I know there's one of these screws is broken and it's stripped or something. I thought it was one of these back ones. And maybe that one. The front two are still there. Back ones aren't breaking, the front one is. So this is my windage tray, it goes in here like that. So scrapes the oil off the crank. This is diamond screen. So I straightened it up earlier. So now I'm going to try to weld this and get it halfway close. So we're going to do that by brazing on it. So let's get all the brazing junk together, see what we got to do to make it work. First thing I do is figure I'm going to hold on to it. Be nice if it's pushed together all the way also. Let's see. Go in this direction, I can push on it. There. If it'll stay there, that's a good way of doing it. Find some brazing rod. I got any laying around here anywhere. Should have some somewhere. Who knows where though? Alright. Like everything. Hidden and buried someplace. Alright, well, I'll be back. I'm going to hunt around a little bit for some raw wood.